Today, we are also learning more about a recent death at a long-term care facility in Hialeah.
And the news coming as the mayor announced a task force to identify hotspots in the city, which is home to a number of LTCs. Local 10's Ian Margot live with more on this. Ian.
In fact, Hialeah's mayor says they have the most long-term care facilities per capita in the entire state. So they were doing their best to try to stop the number of coronavirus cases in these facilities from rising anymore.
She was strong. She had her talking. She would rectify you, but she was such a sweet little old lady.
Daylet Collazo's grandmother, Olga Rodriguez, is one of the many residents of long-term care facilities in Florida who have been killed by COVID-19.
She was not breathing. She had pneumonia. That broke my heart. And then June 23rd, she passed away.
According to the latest data, of the more than 3,500 COVID-19 deaths statewide, 1,846 have been patients from long-term care facilities, and of those, more than 500 have died in Miami-Dade County alone. And topping the list of places with the most deaths statewide are these three facilities, all in Miami-Dade, the first of which is in Miami Springs, while the second and third are in Hialeah.
We all know that these places have been the worst hit, and we want to make sure we stay ahead of that.
Hialeah Mayor Carlos Hernandez says when this all started, staff members at certain facilities were positive for the virus without knowing and spreading it to their patients. Now, he says more stringent guidelines from the state as well as a new effort on the city side will hopefully see the number of new cases here slow down.
We've actually formed a task force to assist the state, ACA, in making sure that we can identify any place where there's a hot spot.
And right now, according to state guidelines, staff members at these kinds of facilities, they're supposed to be tested every 14 days. The city of Hialeah wants that number even lower. They want to see staff members tested every 5 to 7 days. Live in Hialeah, I'm Ian Margot, Local 10 News.